We're back. Welcome to the calculation station where things add up. We are doing Chapter 9 quiz review. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 1, Jonathan opened a retirement account with an APR of 3.9%. Compound it monthly. Let's just get down to the nitty gritty. We're looking for the balance formula. So we are just going to look it up right here, and I'm going to do a plug and chug. So we have the balance equals, I'm going to put in $400 a month, parenthesis, 1 plus 0.039 over 12 to the 12 times 25 years minus 1 all over R n. Now remember, n is the number of compounds, and there's 12 months in a year. So when you put this in the calculator, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you do alpha y equals to get that numerator denominator, and we'll just put it in exactly the way we see it. 1 plus alpha y equals 0.039 over 12, close parentheses, raised to the 12 times 25 minus 1. And we'll put that all over alpha y equals, one more time, get that fraction bar in there, and we're looking at a balance of $202,705. Is that enough to help retire? I think it's enough to help. I personally would like to see a little bit more. Kaylee's 27. Once again, we are going to use the balance formula. She wants to retire at 62. She's 27. So let's find out how many years she has to save. And I've got a handy dandy calculator right here. So I'm just going to put it in 62 minus 27. So she's got a good 35 years ahead of her before she wants to retire. I'm going to use the same formula right here. And I have balance equals 300 a month, 1 plus 0.035, compound it monthly, there's 12 months in a year, raised to the 12 times 35 minus 1 all over RT. Sorry, that's a little messy, isn't it? Now I'm going to do a little bit of a cheat here, and I'm going to highlight this so that I can just, it's not many that I have to, to actually change. I'm going to change this to 300. I'm going to change this to 0.035 and change that to 35 years. And now we have a balance of 246. So $246,661.91. I think that I would want to retire with a little bit more money than this, and putting $300 away, I think you could do a little better. So just keep that in mind. Continuous compound formula, I'm not too sure if we ever put it in since last semester. It's BPERT, P-E-R to the T. And since I didn't actually see it in here, I think I'm going to just put it on a page and write continuous. Make sure I spell it right. Compound. And I'm just going to throw this in here and make sure that I have it. There we go. B-E raised to the R-T. And so we've got, let's see here, we're going to put in $6,000. E is the E button on your calculator. Rate is 0.028. He's 18 and we want to do 50. So 50 minus 18, borrow one. We're looking at 32 years here. And we have 6,000 E. E is the natural log button. R to the T. So we are looking at about $14,698.71. Number 4, Adrian and Areli are saving for retirement. Goal is to have $250,000 in 25 years. And we want to use the periodic deposit formula. So it's really nice because they're already telling you what to look up, and it's just really a matter of doing a plug and chug. So I'm going to use the periodic deposit, and we have a balance of $250,000 raised to the R T. Oops, sorry, that's not T, that is an N. So we have RN, and N is monthly, all over 1 plus RN raised to the NT minus 1. Once again, this is just a plug and chug. So in my calculator, always make sure that you're starting with that fraction bar. Alpha y equals 250,000 parentheses alpha y equals 0.045 over 12. Close those parentheses. Parentheses 1 plus alpha y equals 0.045 raised to the 12. I wrote n raised to the nt. Too many of those, minus 1. And we're going to have to put in about $452 a month. I think it's very doable. Although since there are 2 of you, you might want to double that and think about having separate retirement accounts. Periodic formula, same exact thing. So how nice is that? It's already telling you the formula. So you just need to watch out and make sure that you just are doing the right time. It's giving you the time, so we're good. So we just have a balance of 400,000, 0.046. It is monthly, all over 1 plus 0.046 to the 12th, raised to the 12 times 35 minus 1. Once again, I'm going to do that little shortcut. I'm going to highlight this, and I'm just going to go through here and just change some of these numbers. So that's 400,000, and it was 4.6%, 4.6%, and it was 35 years. Everything else remained the same, $384.54. $384.54. Last but not least, before we turn it to the next page, actually, I'm going to have to stop right here because I only have about 7 seconds left. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and we'll be back shortly.